Welcome to your ultimate guide on mastering troop management in Bannerlord. Get ready to unleash your strategic prowess. First, let's dive into the different troop types you can recruit, each with their unique strengths and weaknesses. Balancing your army composition is key to ensuring maximum effectiveness in battle. A diverse mix can turn the tide. In battle, formations can make a significant difference. Let's explore how different tactics enhance your approach. Training and upgrading your troops strategically ensures they are prepared for the challenges ahead. Remember, morale and leadership are crucial in troop performance. Keep your soldiers motivated and united. Utilizing companion skills can greatly enhance your army's capabilities. Let's see how you can leverage their unique talents. Positioning and terrain can provide advantages in skirmishes. Use the landscape to your benefit. A well-supplied and maintained army is essential for long-term success. Keep an eye on your resources. In conclusion, adapt your strategies based on the factions and scenarios you encounter for the best outcomes.